We are getting the quads rim welded up finally. My dad has a buddy that can do it for me, so I'm gonna bring it to him. He's gonna weld it up all nice. Hopefully he can fix this. Yeah, guys, we're about to have the first ride in what seems to be like it was so long, dude. And it's straight pipe now. Look at it. So look at this. You can't really see it. Whatever, but it's welded. We welded that tire up. I put a tube in it just now. Straight piped. She's ready. She's ready to roll for the first time in a long time. Oh. Finally got her going. Little sketch. It's okay.